Quick little video on how to open up an era double locking deadlock night latch. Customer has a key turns part way, door doesn't open. Therefore I had to remove the cylinder. Once I remove the cylinder, where the cylinder's gone, I can see the back of the lock case. I drilled at a slight angle through the back plate here to get to the mechanism. Now, once you get to the mechanism, you can basically put a screwdriver in here through your hole you've drilled through the lock case and lift this up, which effectively gets out of the way. Let's call this the bolt stump. Now, bearing in mind, this had broken, which is connected to here. So that's like that pin there. So the customer also had someone who was locked in. So when they turned the handle, where this had fallen off, they couldn't get out. So again, this pin goes into this little cutout here, and when you turn the handle, this is the handle, it lifts this arm up, which then allows the bolt stump to slide back. It was a little bit of a challenge, but this may help you to figure out why sometimes these locks jam up inside and outside. So I think this pin tends to just break off, meaning this arm stays down, and for some reason it doesn't seem to operate with the conventional way of having a key and turning. I tried in vain trying to open the door with the key. Eventually I snapped the key in the lock. It would not open with the key. It's really strange why it wouldn't open with the key. Even though I took the cylinder out the door, as you already know, you can put a screwdriver in this slot and it should, in my mind, bring it back. But reflecting on it now, knowing that this little pin had sheared off, I suspect this arm was preventing the bolt from going back. So good little tip.